How to stabilize a video in Davinci Resolve 18. Okay, once you have your clip selected, go to the color page. Now once here, click on the tracker button and then go to the stabilizer page. Now once here, you'll see this page. You'll need to change some settings. The strength is usually set at 0.25. First, go ahead and set that to 1. And if you want your video to be completely steady, click lock. Otherwise, if you want some smooth motion, just leave that out. And selecting perspective here is usually fine. Now, once you have your settings done, click stabilize. And there you have it. That's the first method to stabilize a video. Okay, now for the second method, if there are moving objects on your video, you want to go to these 3 dots here, go to classic stabilizer. Now once here, you can change different parameters. You can select to add or remove them. Now to select the path the moving object in the video is going through, go to interactive mode down here. Now click this box and select the path where the moving object will go through. Now mine's roughly going to use this one. And now click the delete button. Perfect. Now click track forward to start tracking the video. Perfect. Once done, simply click stabilize and your video will be stabilized. This is how the video looked before. And this is after. Now that's how you stabilize videos in Davinci Resolve 18. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.